Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gretchen from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, and I am in cookie mode lately. After all those copycat Girl Scout cookie recipes I made last week, I just couldn't stop making cookies. So today we have caramel volcano cookies. I made a recipe of my friend Deborah's vegan caramel candies and decided I better hide these things before I eat every last one. So I hid them inside some chocolate fudge brownie cookies. Pretty sneaky, eh? Oh my god, you guys are going to flip over these ooey gooey brownie cookies stuffed and overflowing with caramel. They are really easy to make, and you can make your own caramel candies using Deborah's recipe, or you can buy the vegan caramels already made. Other than that, the cookie is quite simple. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, cold brewed coffee, vanilla extract, and then the cooled melted chocolate. Oh, and the vegan butter is melted in there too. Next goes the sifted dry ingredients, and then just whisk it smooth. The recipe ingredients are listed out as usual at gretchensveganbakery.com, so just be sure to click the link below to go grab that. You will have to chill this cookie dough, which is closer to a brownie batter, or you'll never be able to scoop it. So after at least an hour to two, or even overnight, but who wants to wait that long, you're going to go ahead and scoop that cookie dough and then hide the caramel candies inside. Now, as you see, my candies are literally chocolate caramels, but the dipping of the chocolate part, if you are making your own caramels, is not necessary for these cookies. And Deborah's recipe will walk you through the entire process. Since you really just need the caramel part to stuff into the middle of this cookie, you can really just forego the whole dipping of the caramel candy. Alright, so tuck those caramels into the centers and then roll the dough balls into confectioner sugar. Then you're going to bake it in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. Now, it's tricky to give exacts for this recipe since even 1 minute too much will make these cookies really dry, just like baking brownies. So I do recommend doing a test bake with just one cookie first to see how this recipe responds in your oven. I am pretty sure these are going to become your favorite cookie really fast, so be sure to head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipe. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you will. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video, and a very special thank you as always to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for your monthly contributions to help keep this channel going. If you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the links below to find out how. Alright everyone, that's it for me today. What should we make next? Leave your comments below, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.